The ENMAX Community Solar Fund is a $5 million in-kind investment that we're making in communities around Calgary. Solar panels and renewable energy are really important as we move as a society towards a net zero future. ENMAX Energy is excited to be working with the City of Calgary and community associations on how to provide these solar panels to offset their future electricity costs.
We are supporting installations on approximately 27 to 32 community halls throughout Calgary. What we're trying to do is offset 100% of their overall annual usage. So sometimes when they're not using enough, it'll go back to the grid. And there's really no cost to the customer up front. We're taking on the responsibility of installing the equipment and paying for those services.
The financial aspect is going to be a big one for us. It's going to be a big impact because any of the money that we were paying towards our electrical usage, we now can redirect into other programs.
It allows us the opportunity to keep our doors open for longer periods of time. And as all community groups in this age struggle with finances, having a reduction on our electrical bill is going to prove very beneficial.
It's not just an impact for the community association, but it's the whole community because now we have more funds that we can use to benefit the whole neighborhood.
It's absolutely exciting to have the younger people stop and ask questions about the project and how it will focus on the community. We've even had seniors telephone and ask detailed questions about solar projects.
So to have the city and ENMAX backing a project like this is phenomenal. It's massive, and it's going to have an impact on so many different communities that have been awarded panels, and I can see a lot of residents in the neighborhood getting more of an interest in looking into panels and sustainable energy as an option for their own home.